see in him his plentiful redemption.
Shalom, brothers and sisters, and welcome once again in our weekly program, Tapping in Psalms Richness. Today, we are going to meditate about Psalm 19, that is the Psalm of the 26th Sunday in Ordinary Time, Year B. The response is, the precept of the Lord are right, they gladden the heart. Psalm 19 is a psalm that is talking about God that brights the world through the creation, but also through his revelation to the humanity. It is why this psalm is divided into two. The first part goes from verse 1 to verse 6. And it is a hymn to the creation, where the creation itself reveals the goodness of God. God created all. And the psalmist is focusing on the fact that the sun, that bright, is a message from God, or it is a witness of God's goodness. It is why he will see the psalm as this one that is working tirelessly to make the love of God be known, be seen. And also the second part, that is from verse 7 to verse 14, that is the part that this psalm we have read, or we will hear singing, is taken from. It is the sapiential hymn that talk about the law of God. The law of God that is sweet, that is perfect, that comes just to uplift the humanity. It is why we'll see that in the first part of the psalm, the creation is witnessing the creative work of God. God did not create the world for nothing. He had a plan. Or the world is not by mistake. It came by a plan well defined by God. And it is why we can read and find God in his creation. This brings us to ask ourselves today, what is my relationship with the creation? And it is because we had this misunderstanding or this wrong relationship with the creation that we are where we are today, talking about global warming, talking about climate change, and all the other things that are related to it. The law of God is perfect. His creation is perfect. All comes in when we want to correct what he did and saw that it is good. The second part is the part where God himself revealed himself to the humanity, no more through the book that is the nature, but through the biblical revelation, where we saw God as a father moving with us, loving us, forgiving us, accommodating us, and even he said he is able to let 99 sheep and go looking for the one that went astray. God in his eloquency. But are we realizing who he is for us? Both books, the book of the nature and the biblical revelation, are talking about one God in his goodness. It is why the psalmist is inviting us to repeat all the time that the precepts of the Lord are right, they gladden the heart. Let us invite our sisters Becky or Rebecca and Joanne to come and sing to us this goodness of God that goes through all the creation, the humanity, to just touch us and reveal us his nature. Welcome, my sisters.
Ulivyokungoja wewe, kwa kuwa neno la Bwana lina adili, na kazi yake yote huitenda kwa uaminifu.
Naitwa Becky Osamon.
Naitwa Victoria Joan.
Kutoka parokia ya Mtakatifu Maria Ongatarongai. Tunaimba wimbo wa katikati kutoka Zaburi 19. Ni Dominika ya 26 ya mwaka B.
Karibuni.
Maneno ya kiitikio: maagizo ya Bwana ni ya adili, huufurahisha moyo.
Maagizo ya Bwana ni ya adili, huufurahisha moyo.
Maagizo ya Bwana ni ya adili, hufurahisha moyo. Maagizo ya Bwana ni ya adili, hufurahisha moyo. Maagizo ya Bwana ni ya adili, hufurahisha moyo. Maagizo ya Bwana ni ya adili, hufurahisha moyo. Sheria ya Bwana ni kamilifu, huiburudisha nafsi. Ushuhuda wa Bwana ni amini, humtia mjinga hekima. Maagizo ya Bwana ni ya adili, hufurahisha moyo. 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 Kichwa cha Bwana ni kitakatifu, kinadumu milele. Hukumu za Bwana ni kweli, zina haki kabisa. Maagizo ya Bwana ni adili, hufurahisha moyo. Maagizo ya Bwana ni ya 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 adili, hufurahisha moyo.
Thank you, Joanne and Rebecca. You really amazed me with your voices. You revealed to us through your voices and the harmony that God is good, that His precepts are right, that His precepts are light on our path. Thank you, and may it be so in your lives. Follow the light that is God directing you to wherever you would like to go for His glory. May God bless you.
In the Lord there is mercy.